Hello everyone, minasan konnichiwa. Today I'm walking from Boon Keng MRT area to Little India. So join us for this walking tour right now. It's 7 p.m. on a weekday. Yeah, let's go. You know, I just finished exploring the Boon Keng HDB estates and the neighboring market. As well as some stuff, they have a very long, the longest winding HDB corridor at Block 34, Wampo Drive. You know, it's insane. When you're free, right, just come and take a look. That is Block 22, by the way. So, how is your day, guys, everyone? Minasan, genki desu ka ne? So, the whole journey, the trip, will take about maybe 20 minutes on a walking pace, no? But along the way, we will see lots of interesting stuff. Like on the right side, right, there is a Sikh temple, S-I-K-H. You know, the blue color letterings, right? It's over there. So Singapore is really like multi-religious. They have temples, churches, mosques, and even the Sikh temple, right? Look at that. Oh, I see another building, shop house on the right side. I wonder what is that, no? And there are some more HDB right here. You know, the idea of having the walking tour comes to me because I think that it's nicer to show people like what's around the neighborhood by foot, by walking, rather than always take MRT to the nearest destination. Of course, depends on the time. Right? If the time, then why not the walking tour? By the way, there's a Kwang Wai Shu Hospital and some nice condo here. And very beautiful. That one is so tall on the left side. I think about 40 stories. On the right side, maybe 30 stories. The building opposite is Kallang Polyclinic. There's a nice KTV or something, Sing Peng Jiu Lang, man. Wow, this area is a bit foreign now because I seldom come here. What the joy of exploring Singapore by foot, you get to see lots of interesting stuff, man. I just wore my mic. Hope the sound is better now. In fact, because just now I was charging my phone, you know. Oh, there's a space mall here, hostel. We all love Singapore bus, man, but it's so crowded now. We're starting to see some interesting shop houses on the right side. $5.80 only. So it's a fried rice, fried noodles, and give it a drink also. And the rice. There's a gym here. Oh, look at that. There's a temple. Indian temple over there, just opposite where I'm standing. The shop near Kuna, they sell a lot of like the Indian gods inside. Very nice. Let's check out what they have, man. Sri Lakshmi Kuber Puja store, man. And right here. Wow, it's amazing. I think very nice. So it's a bit strange here with Chinese acupuncture right here. Besides all those Indian shops and the temple. Hey, there's a nice temple called Long San Si there. And some KT pubs, this has a Sinda, I believe, to help the less privileged Tamil students in their studies and stuff. There's some kind of learning program for them. Oh, I see an Indian restaurant here, man. Experience Real Part 2 Kai famous. Oh, very big Western restaurant right here. Dinner time for them. I don't see any Chinese. Oh, yes, I have, but very small percentage. This is 13 Road. And look at the temple. There's another temple here, man. They're having their prayers right now. We're starting to see flowers, garlands, for the Hindu, for the Indians one. Calamari, fresh and frozen, ready to eat. I think we are reaching the already like very near Little India MRT or something. It's all Indian shop right here already. The traffic is insane, man, right now. 8:30 p.m. So this is officially Little India, you know. It's not too far from the city square. So it's just a few minutes walk. And here there's some kind of Joya Lucas jewelry. And also a very nice building. I think that's a mosque, if I'm not wrong. Around this area, there's a Mustafa Center. 24 hours, you know. Anything you can also go and buy there. Like even like facial cleansers and the water, I mean those disposable waters for travel, right, below 100 ml. They also sell any stuff, face masks, and right here there are a lot of insane amount of money changer and restaurants, man.